Meaning of examination.
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 Examination. Examination refers to the process of assessing or evaluating something, typically in order to test knowledge, skills, or understanding. It can also refer to a formal assessment used for admission, progress evaluation, or certification. The result of an examination is usually a grade or score that reflects how well someone performed in relation to a set of criteria or standards. The grade or score can be used to determine eligibility for further education or employment opportunities. Accurate and fair examinations are critical in ensuring that individuals are evaluated based on their true abilities and potential.